Good morning. Yeah, we had some rain last night. Today is travel day. Yeah, we are all packed up, ready to head out. I'm going to cook us some sausage egg McMuffin things. Sausage egg muffin things. You ready to go, Sammy? Yeah? Okay. She says, I'm ready to go walk. Yeah, we got to walk a little bit first. Bye, Finn. Bye, Deborah. No. She's running into town to do a few things before we hit the road this morning. I am working on a video. Debs is going to come get that. So I'm going to wait until, yeah, I didn't get to burn all my wood. Nope. But anyway, I'm going to meet Deborah in town. She's going to go do a few errands first. I'm going to work on my Walmart order. Finish my video. And then I'm going to get ready to roll. Yeah. The season is over. Just like that. I forgot I had some already cooked refried beans that I made yesterday for this morning. So I'm not cooking the McMuffins this morning. I don't want to say McMuffin. The muffins. So I'm going to scramble these eggs and put the refried beans in. And we're going to have burritos this morning. And then I will cook the muffins for tomorrow when we land today. And prepare for three days. Okay, walk around. Make sure everything's secure. Ladder secure. Steps are up. Secure. Secure. Not secure. I got to secure you. I have to secure you. I'll do it when I get in. I can't get it on this side. Okay? Alright. Lights are up. Got all my lights up. Alright, let's get out of here. Are you ready, Sammy? Oh. I gotta move this over. There we go. She says, no, don't do it. Lay down. Alright, got my keys. It's time to shed the long sleeve shirt. Whew. Deborah washed our windows yesterday, and then it rained. But they look good. My mirrors look good. Yeah. Alright, got her a burrito. I'm gonna leave it in the sun. And I'm gonna meet her at Moon Mountain. Just picking up her last package. Bye, new campsite. New. We're gonna all end up having names. I think we're calling our old one across the road Bandit Camp. Yep. Well, this one was a good one. This was a good camp, wasn't it, Sammy? Can't believe we're leaving Quartzsite. I feel like we've been here a while, but then on the other hand, I don't feel like we've been here long enough. It's like we didn't do all this stuff we wanted to do, but we really did. The only thing we didn't get to do again this year is go to Oatman. We did Parker Dam twice, California side and Arizona side. Then we did, went to Mexico. Went to Lake Havasu City. So yeah, we did a lot more than usual. But we didn't get it all done. But you know what? That means you got to come back, save it, and do it next time you're here. I filled up yesterday, no, day before, in Quartzsite, and it was 427, something like that for diesel. I just passed, of course we're on the interstate, credit card, $5.25 a gallon. Crazy. It's gonna cost a lot of money just to get back to home base. Gosh. Alright, we're eating at Umberto's here in Gila Bend. We stay here sometimes, and we're staying here tonight. So, yeah, we didn't drive very far, just like an hour. I mean, an hour and a half. Ooh, enchilada, taco, beans, rice. Yum.